Ndonga kwale nkosi nithi ake ngohlabe ngolawule nanku umkhosi kuwe wena kaMayanda nesizwe sonke sikaMthaniya lapha kwaZulu Natal. Kodwa inselelo yokuqala nje ukuthi ubugebengu kwale nkosi solonga sibuse emngceleni yaseNingizimu Afrika thina siyizwe siyakuthuma. Sisafuna futhi ukukuthuma uhamba wedwa, sesikuthuma uhamba nathi sikweseka siyizigi ezithi uyasondela. Mina ke ngithi ungagcini kuphela ngominister wamaphoyisa uMephenya Ingubo uveze ubuze bakhe namahlazo obugebengu ababenzayo. Thina siyazi ukuthi laba abantu badla imali yentela ekhokhwa abantu abantulayo abahluphekile bakithi. Sithi ke Ndonga silamlele sinecala esingalazi ukuthi lenziwe njani. Sesifisa ukulivula noma ikuphi ke la singalivula khona thina. Silivulele umhlonishwa uLamaphosa lamadola atholakala ngaphansi komatrans. Nazo zonke ke imali ezinye engakaze iaccountwele njengama loans awathathayo ngeCovid-19 kuze kube namhlanje asiyazi the repayment plan except ukuthi kwadayiswa ngempilo zethu nezwe lethu. Sithi ke yena ngoba umongameli wezwe okusho ukuthi nakiphi province uya accounta. Sithi ake zoku-accounta lapha ke kwaZulu Natal kuwe kwale nkosi ukuthi lamadola angena kanjani afika kanjani theze bengaphansi komatrans na wonke amacala siyamangalela. Ithenenye ke insizwa engihlala nayo ukube bethe ubuya nje wavinjwe office sevinjwa uWendonga ne-special force nesizwe sonke sesimtshela ukuthi you are under arrest ngoba laba bantu badayisa ngezwe lethu ngendlela eyisimanga. Mina bengithi uma uhulumeni singewubopha siwubhidlize Ndonga wonke. Thina ke besingathatha noma umuntu kazana wakwaNdlwane onephupho necebo nomhlahlandlela wokhola izwe lethu ukuthi libuyele kithi ukuthi akasihole. Umthetho wesystem ukuthi ucommander wearmy okwazi ukuthatha umbuso kuhulumeni ophethe. Isystem leyo edesigne lezo zinto. If you want to defeat a system, you cannot defeat a system using the system. Let us use the will of the people, and the will of the people in this juncture is we no longer want to be served by President Ramaphosa because he's corrupt. We want him to account and give answers to General Mkhwanazi KZN. Asina jurisdiction yabantu ukuthi khona national khona in simthumela kuMkhwanazi njengabantu. The will of the people must prevail. Ngoba the country is for the people, it is governed by the people through the administrative governance of the day, which is the system. We are no longer willing to succumb and serve the system because the system is not serving us. The system is designed by the capitalist to administrate the people. We want to lead an unled revolution, if that is a correct English. But all I'm saying is, let us not be limited by any laws that does not seek to serve our interest. The law is only but one, the will of the people. What are we willing as the people? What are we desiring as the people? We want our land. We want our country. We want our resources. We want those who have committed the crime of robbing us and selling the country to the capitalist or the highest bidder to account to the people. General, Commander, siyakweseka sinawe. Asukuthatha umzabalazo. Mina bengathi General usathi aba-account bonke usaklina. Asiqale Union Building sibize ngekhwele sitosabela. Asisafuni ngisho ukuthi bese thusele bethi unamacala siyaxolela singabantu lawo macala umunawo. Bethi unezono unani kade bethuleleni bengakushusisi inkwali yenkosi. Uma kuukuthi ubucindezele ubugebengu babo ubunyathele ngenyawo. Uma kuukuthi ubungabaphenyile ingubo bebethuleleni bengasho ukuthi isigebengu sebezothi isigebengu namhlanje ngoba uveza amaqiniso. Bengazodlala ngathi macala akho onke you are exonerated. You have a national pardon. We are pardoning you. We are the people more than any head of state. We are the state as the people. And we are pardoning you in any allegation that will be formulated against you. Any weapon set against you, you are freed from it. Kwali yenkosi Ndonga. sihola ungesabi, siqunga isibindi, sime nawe. Thina akasiwona amagwala. Mina ngunkwali yenkosi uvena kamandi, umola songaweli ngabe isizibuko. Usokhetha abahle bomnyama nondengo yemawa. Mina ngazalwa amakhehla athe ngesitimela engenawo ujantshi omtubatuba. Angingeni nje indaba yomunye umfana wakomunye umuzi. Nami ngazalwa enkanini yakithi. Ngiyakweseka Ndonga. Ngiyibona futhi le ndlela ohamba ngayo ukuthi eyakithi, ungakwethu wena kwale nkosi.